Commander Morning. Comrades, sithi ake sithathe nantu udaba laseBarberton imine. Siyacela bonke abasebenzi baseBarberton bangifonele kule number 071 978 4717. Umkhonto Labour Desk, MK Labour Desk, udevelope i-interest yokuthi usondele uzolekelela abasebenzi baseBarberton abadilizwe ngokungemthetho, unfair labor practice, unfair retrenchment, section 189. Kukhona imiqathango eminingi engalandelwanga, and NUM is selling out abasebenzi kulapha eBarberton. So ke asisondeleke ke sizolekelela eBarberton. Whoever that see this video, ake sixhumane, ngithola la ey'ndabeni zokhozi. Niyazi ukuthi thina njengomkhonto Labour Desk, we are so resist entweni yokuxoshwa kwabantu, entweni yokudilizwa kwabantu kungafanele. So ke siyacela ukungenelela kunina comrade, kunina abasebenzi, singenelele silungise umonakalo oqhutshekwa ngokwenziwa ama-unions, kakhulukazi mines logistics, ama-trucks, ama-security, and all these companies are exploiting our people. They are misinterpreting the law, the labor laws of this country. Njengoba uzwa nje umthetho we-retrenchment uthi okokuqala akube khona i-consultation yabasebenzi nomqashi. Umqashi asho izathu ezanele eziconvince abasebenzi ukuthi umsebenzi ulahlekelwa i-profit abawenzayo, and okwesibili aqale asebenzise i-last in first out. Aphinde futhi mangilalela kahle nje la okhozini ngizizwa ngibona ukuthi abasebenzi njengamanje abatrithwa ngendlela efanele nangendlela ekufanele engabe batrithwa ngayo, and abasebenzi abaningi abadala sebenama-benefits ekufanele ngabe ayaprotectwa njengamanje, but are not protected. And the notice yokuterminatewa kwe-contract mangithi ngiyayilalela is not lawful. But ke sizothini ngoba ongxiwankulu sebahlangana nama-unions bakwazi ukuthi bagcine befulfilla their mandate yokuthi bacindezele abantu abamnyama. So whoever ke Barberton ongilalele, Barberton, the MK Labour Desk is here, the Sanfosao is here to assist abasebenzi ngoba we want to ensure that all employees have security in the workplace. So ke sikhona ke ma-comrade, sizozwa ngani cingo ngilishiyile 071 978 4717. Akuhle ukuthi nenze uWhatsApp so that sizokwazi ukuthola. Siyabonga-ke, mahlanga.